everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is carnivore chaffles, I believe is what they're called. But it's a savory waffle made on a little waffle iron, a chaffle-sized waffle iron, and it's made all of carnivore ingredients. So yummy, and of course my mom modified hers to fit her allergies, but we're going to put, as part of the video, the recipe pictures in here, and it's from your.keto.buddy on Instagram, so just wanted you guys to see this, but it's really yummy. They turned out really great. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Okay, everyone, as Yoda said, we are making some carnivore chaffles, like mini waffles. Okay, so you're going to use a full cup of chicken. So I used a can of chicken breast. That equaled a full cup. And then 2 cups of cheese. You're supposed to use mozzarella, but I didn't have any more of that flavor in my vegan cheese, so I used this one. And then 3 eggs. So that means 9 tablespoons of plant-based egg if you're using this liquid just egg. Obviously, if you're using regular eggs, you just do 3 eggs. Then you do 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing mix. I made my own there. 1/4 of a cup of onion, and 1/3 of a cup of bacon bits. And then you mix that all together, and that's what it looks like. Then you take it and put a scoop in your chaffle maker. I have a 2-sided one, so there's 2 of them in there. And you cook them for 4 minutes each. Then I'll show you what to do next. So this is what you're gonna do next. You take your chaffles out, you put them on a cookie sheet or some sort of tray to put in the oven, and you put some more cheese on top, and then you're gonna broil them until it's hot and bubbly. And then at the end, you're gonna shake on some Italian seasoning and use some ranch dressing. I use Walden Farms vegan ranch for myself, Hidden Valley for everybody else. And then you dip them in ranch dressing, and that's how you eat them. Yummy, yummy. I'll show you the finished product. All right, they're done under the broiler, and we sprinkled on some Italian seasoning, and now we're gonna serve with ranch dressing. Enjoy.